friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a spring in AutoCAD. Then first of all we have to set our view, then click on here, then select AC isometric, then click on draw and select helix, click on here and set the radius 10 inch and set the top radius, it will be also 10 inch, and then take turns. The turns will be 7 turns. Enter. Then I have to set helix height. I'm taking 20 inch for this spring as height. Then select circle, then draw a circle by 0.5 inch. This circle is horizontal in this spring, so I have to make this vertical. Then set 3D rotate and select the object. Enter. Then select the best position for this circle. Now here it is. Then select here, sweep, then select the object. Enter. Then select the sweep path here. Then click on here, then select realistic. Our spring is ready.